In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Substack welcome page. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refresh your brand, customizing your welcome page is a great way to make a memorable first impression on your readers. So let's dive in and see how to set up your Substack welcome page with ease. First off, you'll want to log into your Substack account. If you haven't already done so, just head over to substack.com and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken immediately to your dashboard. This is essentially your control hub where you'll manage everything to do with your publications. Now that you're in the dashboard, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the Settings tab. Go ahead and click on that. The Settings page is where you can customize various aspects of your Substack account, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with all the options available here. Within the settings, glance over to your left-hand side. You should see a menu. Find and click on the welcome page link. This will open up the editing options for your welcome page, giving you the ability to personalize the first impression your readers will have when they sign up. The welcome page photo is a focal point and can truly set the tone for your publication. To change or add a photo, click on the Add Image button. This action will prompt a file upload window to appear, so select the image you want to upload from your device. Once you've chosen an image, it will automatically load as the new welcome page photo. Now below the photo options, there are a couple of toggles that allow for additional customization. One option you'll see is Show Name on Welcome Page. You can switch this on or off depending on whether you want your name to be visible to your readers upon their initial visit. Similarly, there's another toggle for Show a Short Description on the welcome page. If you enable this feature, you can add a brief description of your publication or yourself. It's a good chance to encapsulate what new subscribers can expect from your content. Turning this on or off depends on how you want to present your page. Finally, there's also a customizable message for the skip button on your welcome page. You can personalize this to better fit the tone of your page, guiding users through without missing an opportunity to convey your unique voice. Once you've set this up the way you like it, don't forget to click on the Save button to preserve all your customizations. And there you have it, your Substack welcome page is now tailored exactly to your liking. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial, and I hope you now feel more confident in customizing your Substack page to best reflect your brand. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Until next time.